Greetings RC friends, welcome to Props and Wheels. In this episode of the series showcasing the RadioMaster TX16S OpenTX transmitter, I'm going to demonstrate how to set up and bind a Horizon Hobby model like this one with the DSM to DSM X receiver and AS3X technology, stabilization technology, to this transmitter. And in this case, our model is a ParkZone VisionAire. Okay, let's get started. To turn on the transmitter, long press on the power button for a couple seconds and it will greet you.
Welcome to OpenTX.
Welcome to OpenTX. So we are on the main screen, the home screen. To get started, long press on this button. It will bring you to model select. One more click, we are here on this screen, and long press again. It will give you the create model option. So another press on this wheel. And now we select the plane because it has a motor, not a glider. Select. And then here we say yes, it has a motor. And yes, it is on channel 3. I'm not going to change anything here. So page down. Number of ailerons is 2, but they are connected to the one single channel with Y cable. So in one click to the wheel and then go back. This one is selected. Page down. Does you have flaps? No. So page down. And the tail configuration is correct. One channel for elevator, one for rudder. Elevator is on channel 2, rudder is on channel 4. Page down. You just select yes, all is well, create the plane. Click. Model has been successfully created. Press return button to go back. And here we are. Model 47. Now next thing to do is, so this is selected. Let's return to the home screen. Now I'm going to press and hold down the MDL or model button. And it will bring it to the model setup. So the first thing I'm going to change the model name. So to do that, just one click. And I'm going to call it VisionAire. I'm just going to go quickly here. So all good. So now we need to go all the way down to the bottom of this page, and there's a trick to go, jumping there. Just one click to the left with the wheel, it will jump to the bottom, and go up. Internal RF mode, it's off. One click, let's turn on the multi-protocol module. Selected. Next here, one click and go back to DSM. And then we are going to probably select DSM X. So one click. And I'm going to select 11 milliseconds because this is going to be a fast, quick plane. So, shorter reaction time. Select here. And then come down to receiver number. Now I need to select a receiver number that has not been used before. I leave 00 open. So I select this one and I'm just going to take it to 25. I know it's open, 25 is open. And then come over bind, but I'm not going to do anything. So it's waiting at the bind. If I click, it's going to start the bind process. Now I need to put the receiver to the bind mode. In this model, the receiver is on the bottom. It is behind this plastic cover, which I took it off. And if you look closely, this is AR635 6-channel sport receiver. And then this is the DSM technology. And here is where the bind plug goes. So I have the bind plug here, and I'm just going to attach it there. So the bind plug is in. Now I need to connect the battery, and battery hatch is on the other side of this plane. Let's pop off the battery hatch, and I'm going to connect this 3S battery. Let's turn it back around to the other side so we can see what's happening. And as you can see right now, over here, there's a light that's flashing quickly. Let me hold it so that you can actually see the flashing light. So that means it's the receiver is in the bind mode. Now what I'm going to do is click this wheel in so it will go into the bind process, and then I'm going to, once I press it, I'm going to pull the transmitter away, because sometimes the receiver don't like to be so close to the source of the transmitter, so I need to keep it like 3-4 feet apart. So I'm going to click bind, and it's binding, going to make sound, and that's okay. And now what I'm going to do now is just check the control surfaces quickly to make sure that everything is good. Let's see. So as you can see, the ailerons are reversed, so I need to reverse them back. I will show in a minute how to do that, because the right aileron should go up when I push the control right. The elevator is working correctly. Up, down. Right rudder, left rudder, no, it is reversed. So I need to reverse both the aileron and the rudder. And let's carefully check the motor. Let me hold this. And that's working as well. So before I reset, I'm just going to come out of this model setup menu. So return again. VisionAire is selected. Going to turn it off by long pressing the power. Turn it back on.
Welcome to Open TX.
VisionAire is selected. Let's install the battery. Okay, how do we reverse the controls? It's very simple. Long press on the MDL button and then page down button until we get to the outputs screen, and we are going to reverse channel 1 and channel 4. If you are not sure, let's move the ailerons, and as you can see that little arrow is moving right and left under channel 1, and let's try the channel for the rudder channel, and channel 4 the arrow is moving right and left. So we are on channel 1, one click on the wheel, come to the right to this arrow on the right hand side, it says direction, one click and it changed. So let's double check. Right aileron goes up, left aileron goes up. Now it's correct. Come back, return, and then go down to channel 4. Again, make sure that we are changing the same correct channel, which is the rudder. And then come to the right on the direction, one click, it is changed, so right rudder, Good. Left rudder. Now everything is moving correctly. Return, return. You're on the main menu. And the only thing to do on this one is, since this plane has so much throws, as you can see, it's crazy throws, you would like to put at least dual rates or triple rates, and if you like exponential, also program exponential. I usually do not do exponential, I just put triple rates, and I have a video for that, and I will put that video on the link so you can follow that to set up triple rates on one of these 3 position switches. Everything is working and this model is ready to fly. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe and healthy. See you on the next video. Take care. Bye bye.